Hey folks, welcome to my channel with me, and I'm your teacher for today. And today I will discuss about what is the comparison operator, and how it works in the Python program, and what is type of comparison operator available in the Python. So there are the many questions. So today in this lecture we will cover the all that type of a question related to the comparison operator. So don't worry, and it is very easy to use and easy to learn. So without any further delay, so now let's get started. So what is the Python operator? Now you can see that this is my definition, and comparison operator are used to compare the two values and return the Boolean values. Okay, and now you can see that it is a returns compare the two values. That means you have a two values and you compare it. Suppose I'll give you example, and suppose this one value, this is a one value, and this is the second value. Okay, and now this is my second value. Suppose this is a smaller than that, and when you compare it, which one is bigger, and then only two values as possible. This is a big, this is true or false. When it bigs, and then it returns the true, and otherwise it returns the false if it is smaller than. Okay, and in this case, and it is a bigger than, so it returns the for true. And that means, and suppose uh, when I use this type of a sign, this is a greater than sign, one greater than two, and it is not, because it is the amount of the two is higher than, then it will returns the false. Okay, I think you got it now. So guys, in this time, and we will talk about the what is the our this table, and how many type of operators comparison operators available in this program. So now you can see, this is a greater than, less than sign, and sorry for that, and less than sign. And when 5 less than 2, that means 5 is less than 2, not, because 5 is greater than 2, so it will return the false. And as same thing here, when 5 is greater than 2, yes, it will return the true. And 5 is less than and equal to false, not. And 5 is greater than and equal to 2, yes, true, it returns the true. You can see, and 5 is equals to 2, no, it is returns the false. And 5 is not equals to the 2, yes, because 5 is not equals to the 2, so it will returns the true. So here they are the many of the variables, and so it's time to go on the VS Code and write the some program for the comparison operators. So here, go on the this tab and click on the new file button, and write the Qt 10 and the comparison. Now comparison.py. Okay, and now there we go. And here I will write the sum code. Suppose a is equals to the 5, and b is equals to, suppose b is equals to the 2. And when you print the what is the value of a is greater than b, what is the value of a is greater than b? Suppose you want to check what is the value it returns the. So a is greater than b. Yes, it, because a is the 5, so you can run the button. Now you can see that it will returns the true. Okay, and suppose when you use the this type of a things, and when you use the a is a less than 2, and it will return the false. It will returns the false because a is not less than the b. And when you use the less than and equal than 5, then what will happen? It will returns the false, because not less than and equal. Okay, and I think you got it. And here, now here you can see, and when you use the greater than and equal than, and now what will happen? And when you click on this button, now you can see it will return the true, because it is a greater than or equal than. And so here, use the is not equals to the operator. That means a is not equals to the b. Yes, because 5 is not equals to the b. Okay, now it will return the true. And when you use the double equal, that means a is equals to b. A is equal to the b, not, because it is not equal to the b. And when you click on this button, now you can see that it will return the false value. Okay, and I think it is enough for the day. And if you have any query, then please write down the comment for me. And thanks for the watching, and ring the bell and hit the subscribe button. So thank you so much.